Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Audition on Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Adobe Audition on your Mac, start by closing the application if it is currently running. Open the Finder on your Mac by clicking the Finder icon in the dock. In the Finder sidebar, select Applications to access your installed applications. Locate Adobe Audition in the Applications folder. Right-click on the Adobe Audition icon. From the context menu, choose Move to Trash. Alternatively, you can drag the Adobe Audition icon directly to the trash. Next, you'll want to empty the trash to completely To do this, right-click on the trash icon in the dock. Select Empty Trash from the menu that appears. Now, Adobe Audition has been uninstalled, but there might still be leftover files. To remove these, go back to the Finder. In the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Go. Hold down the Option key, then select Library from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Application Support folder within the library. Look for any folders related to Adobe Audition and move them to the trash. Next, check the Preferences folder in the library. Delete any preference files associated with Adobe Audition. Finally, empty the trash one more time to ensure all files are removed. Now you have successfully uninstalled Adobe Audition and removed any leftover files from your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.